With QuickBooks Online Advanced and Intuit Enterprise Suite, you can back up your company's info so you can undo changes and fix mistakes. Let's go over how to turn on backups for your company, find your backups, and how to restore your company to a previous date and time. To start, select Settings, Account and Settings, select Advanced, and then Backup. This is where you can turn on the backup feature for your company. And if you want to back up your company's data to a personal online storage account, select this option to link a Google Drive to your company. Save your changes and close your settings. QuickBooks will start your backups, and from now on, you can restore your info to a previous point in time, because Backup and Restore tracks most changes to your company's data. Select Company Settings, Backup Company to access your backups. Select View to see details about the backup. Here you see when QuickBooks made each backup and how many changes it recorded. Though QuickBooks backs up your company automatically, you can also choose to create a new backup whenever you want. Backups let you turn back the clock and undo your changes. If you or anyone on your team ever deletes or changes a transaction that they shouldn't have, you can roll your company back to before you changed the transaction. You can also roll back unwanted changes to vendors, customers, and even settings. If you want to restore your company back to this point, select the Action drop-down, Restore. QuickBooks fills in the exact date and time of the backup you want to restore to. If you can't find the exact backup you want to restore to, or you want to restore to a point a long time ago, select Restore, Create Restore. From here, you can enter a date and time manually, and select Next. Select this checkbox to confirm you want to restore your company to some time in the past. Select Start Restore. QuickBooks runs a quick check to see if your company is ready to restore. You may see some tasks you need to perform before you can restore your company. Select View to see a restore's progress. It can take some time to restore your company. The more data a company has, the longer this process takes. It's important to note that you shouldn't do anything in your company while QuickBooks restores your data. You'll know QuickBooks has finished restoring your data when you see a check mark here. That's when it's safe to jump back in and work with your company again. You can always select Restore to look up past restores or check in on one that's in progress. Now you're ready to automatically back up your company and restore it to a selected point in the past.